Hi guys, welcome back to Two Sisters and Dogs. Today, I'm showing you our dog named Daisy. She's so cute. Hey Daisy, look. She's so cute, isn't she? Okay, Daisy. Isn't she the precious? She's just so cute. Oh, I love her so much. Oh, puppy doggy. Puppy doggy. You want my hand? You do. You want my hand? You do. She likes rocking in this rocking chair. She is so cute. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Oh, Daisy, Daisy. This is her little resting. This is her little ball. Here's her little toys for her. There's a big basket right there. Little miss you. Rocky! Rocky doggy! Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. She's so cute. Yes, you are, Daisy dear. I have a whole big collection of Tic Tac toys. She cheated with my sister's toys. Oh no, you didn't. She was a little runt at the animal shelter with her sister, but her sister wasn't a runt. We just took her because we thought no one else would take her, and she was so cute. And she still is really cute. Daisy, you wanna head off? Okay, XOXO, XOXO, bye! Bye.